Okay, let's check your work. We're on problem number 13. Get my paper stacked up here. Julia has 9 boxes. There is one model car in each box. Which multiplication sentence shows how many model cars Julia has? So how many model cars is what we're looking for? What do we know? Well, we know she has 9 boxes, and there's one model in each box. Each is a key word. So I have 9 boxes, and in each box there is one car. So I have 9 groups of 1. What does that equal? According to the identity property, any factor times 1 equals that number. So 9. So what is the correct answer? That would be D. Why isn't it B? 1 times 9. It's the same thing, right? Because the commutative property says I can flip my numbers and it still equals the same thing. Well, that would be because of this product. 9 times 1 does not equal 1. 9 times 1 equals 9. She has 9 cars. All right, number 14. Each basket holds, it should say holds. Each basket holds 5 melons. Mr. Chavez buys 1 basket. How many melons does Mr. Chavez have? So how many melons is what we're looking for. What do we know? We know each basket holds 5 melons. And we know that Mr. Chavez purchased 1 basket. So how many melons does Mr. Chavez has? According to the identity property, Mr. Chavez has 5 melons because he bought 1 basket of 5 melons. All right, number 15. Noah sets out 7 baskets at the farmer's market. Each basket holds 1 watermelon. How many watermelons does Noah set out? So we're looking for how many watermelons. What do we know? We know that Noah has 7 baskets, and each basket holds 1 watermelon. So 7 baskets, each one holds 1 watermelon. How many watermelons does Noah have? Or how many does he set out? Well, the identity property says that any number times 1 equals the number. So he has 7. Number 16. Ooh, this is a multi-step, which means I'm going to do more than one thing. So here we go. Jane has 1 box with 4 red crayons and 3 blue crayons. Which number sentence shows how many crayons Jane has? Okay, so we need to know how many crayons Jane has. We know that she has 1 box. It has 4 red crayons and 3 blue crayons. So what do I need to do? Well, we're looking for how many crayons. So I know she has 4 red and 3 blue. So if I add those together, how many does she have? Well, she has 7 crayons altogether. So 1 box, right? So 7 times 1 equals 7. This is my answer. 1 box of 7 crayons, 4 red and 3 blue. All right, here's another multi-step. And this was multi-step because first I added and then I multiplied. So let's see if we can do the same thing over here. Each box holds 6 black markers and 4 red markers. Derek has 0 boxes of markers. Which number sentence shows how many markers Derek has? So how many markers does Derek have? Well, we know each box holds 6 black markers and 4 red markers. So how many markers does each box hold? What is 6 plus 4? I have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 6 plus 4 is 10. So I have 10 markers. And then it says Derek has 0 boxes of markers. So 10 times 0 equals, according to the zero property of multiplication, any factor times 0 equals 0. So which one of these number sentences has that? That would be this one right here. Okay, on the next couple of pages, you're going to be doing your independent work. It's similar to what we just did. You do have a graph to work with on this page. Make sure that you are reading carefully for what it's asking you to do. At the end, you'll be solving multiplication sentences and word problems, and then you'll also be doing some multiple choice word problems. When you are finished, go ahead and take a picture of your work and send it to me via email or text. Thank you.